Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a product animation video ad in Canva. First, open Canva on your PC and log into your account. Then, from the left side, click on Elements. Next, tap and search for Shape. Choose a shape from the list, like a square or rectangle. Now, drag the corners to make it bigger on your canvas. Then, from the top, click on the color option and set the shape color to white. After that, go back to the left side panel and click on Uploads. Now, upload your product image or choose an already uploaded one. Click on the image to add it to your canvas. Then, from the top menu, click on BG Remover to remove the background. Once it's removed, drag the corners to increase the size of the image as needed. Now, go to the timeline at the bottom, click on the three dots on the page, and select Duplicate Page. Then, adjust the duration from your timeline to make it shorter. Next, go to the top and click on the color tool again to change the background or add style if you want. Now, go back to the left panel and click on Text. Click on Add a text box and type your message, like your product name or slogan. Then, from the top menu, choose the font called Intro Rust. Place the text properly on your canvas. Now, duplicate the text and move the second one slightly behind the first one. Right-click on the text and click Send Backwards to place it behind. Drag this second text a little from the left to create a shadow effect. Click on Effects and move the thickness slider to make it look bold. Now, take the first front text and slide it to the right. Next, right-click on the timeline again and click Duplicate Page. Now, animate the text by dragging one of the left and the other to the right, like they're sliding apart. Again, duplicate the page from the timeline. Now, increase the image size and slightly rotate it for a stylish look. After that, click on Add a heading on the left. Write your final message, like Buy Now or Available Online. Then, choose a color, select a font, and increase the size to make it stand out. Click on Animate from the top menu. Pick an animation from the suggested section. Use the speed slider to control how fast it plays. You can also select whether it appears when entering or leaving. Scroll down to choose a writing style animation, like character or word. Now, from the timeline, go to the first scene and reduce the size of the image if needed. Then, go back to the left panel and choose an animation for the image. Click on Animate again from the top right. Scroll down and look for Add on Effects. Now, click on the transition icon between the pages on the timeline. Select Match and move to smoothly connect the animations. Use the slider to control how long the transition lasts. Click Apply between all pages to add it to the whole video. Finally, click Play to preview your animated ad. Adjust the duration if needed and play it again to see the final version. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.